Alright, welcome back to part 2 of our video on Anki Overdrive. We are setting up for a open race.
Yes.
And I've picked Max and I've picked a couple of the tank crew to challenge us. Max and I are going to be a team against 2 of the AI opponents. So first we're going to hit race. We're going to make it a 15-lap race because the track is a little long. And now we're going to select our cars. Max, who are you going to take?
I think I'll take Skull.
You're going to take Skull. Alright. I am going to take Ground Shock. So we'll put Skull and Ground Shock, and you'll see...
Guardian. And Thermal.
So you can see, is Max and I are the blue team, and they've picked their cars, and Max is putting the correct cars on the track.
The ones that are left out.
You gotta turn them around and face the wrong way.
Nuke and Big Bang.
Right, Nuke and Big Bang are left out. So I'm gonna hit continue. And then they have to scan the track to learn the layout of the track. And you can send them the wrong way. I mean, you can put one in each direction and they'll figure it out. So we're going to have them scan the track and then it'll be time for the race. So you can...
So it's kind of cool how they can scan the track on their own.
You disconnected.
I did?
It's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. We'll start again. It doesn't take that long to...
Open play.
Open play. Join a friend. I will host. Max. We'll pick the same 2, and chances are they're going to pick the same 2 cars. Continue. Race.
Unless I pick Guardian. That's not gonna...
Commander, choose your vehicle. Commander, choose your vehicle.
Nope.
Oh, they didn't take new. Thermo and yeah, they changed it up. Which is cool. Oh, and then we're going to do enable teams, put us on the same team.
Hit continue.
And they're going to scan. You go sit in your spot.
There shouldn't be a game error.
That was rare. The game errors are... I think that's happened once before, and we've been playing for 3 or 4 days now. So they're scanning the track, learning the layout. Once they've learned it, they're going to speed up and take their positions on the starting line here.
Like they just did.
You can see the 2 with the blue lights are Max and I, and the red lights, if you can see that, are the AI opponents. So, here we go, 15 laps.
Race begins in 3, 2.
I'm going to hit the brake to start off to get behind them. And I disable thermo.
Dang it! You disabled me!
Oh, and I'm getting tractor beams. You're going, Max. I got disabled, but I disabled one of them too.
Thermal.
I'm in 4th place.
I'm in 4th.
Whoa, thermos.
Dang it! Charge button. And sometimes they go off track.
I'm off the track.
Like
I'm
that.
disabled.
That's flipped over.
I did too much of a boost.
That's what happens sometimes.
Right now I'm in 3rd place. Max is probably in 4th.
Yep.
We're losing. That's not good.
I'm gonna drop back. This time I'm gonna use
Nuke went off the track.
I went crazy.
And you can pause the game in the middle of the race.
Which is awesome.
Which is handy. I usually do it when we got 2 cars off the track. You gonna sit there?
Yeah.
Why don't you sit over here so people can see the whole track?
Yeah, okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm in second place now. And the cars are smart enough to shoot you across the open spaces. Oh, I'm in first place
I'm
now.
in first place now.
Well, they took shots, but they didn't damage me. I saw them hit my. Oops. Thermal back on there. And you saw Max put his controller down. He stayed right on the track. His car stayed on the track.
Out of your way. Ah!
Max, you ran into me.
I got disabled.
Alright, I paused it. I got both cars behind me. Max is disabled. This is not
No,
Not
I'm
a good-
almost undisabled.
alright. Not a good position to be in. Oh, Max, you hit me.
Oh, you hit me too. That was bad.
Alright.
Are you in first?
Yes.
Disabled.
Oh, he got me. And that was it. That was the last lap.
You got 15 laps, right?
Yeah.
I got 14. First lap.
And then it unlocks.
Early one.
You get bonus points. And I just unlocked something for Thermo. So
I did too.
I tap it to open. And that is a small energy ember. Increases his total energy.
I got the same thing.
Oh, nice.
I think we get the same thing.
So then it gives a nice little summary of first, second, and how many laps behind the other team was. And then you can, let's see, you go to the garage, and then you can see all the cars, and I don't know if you can make out the level of each car that we've gotten them up to, and how close they are to leveling up, and that unlocks more stuff for them.
I
So,
got a bunch of things for Thermo. Ground shock.
you want to say any final thoughts, Max? As we turn off the video?
They could probably do a little battle.
You want to do a little battle? Okay, we'll show you what a battle's like and how it's different than a race.
I'm thinking we could do battle, King of the Hill.
Oh, you want to do one of each?
Yeah.
Okay.
Time trial.
Time trial's gonna be tough because it. All right, so I will host. Waiting for you to join me. Adding Max.
Who are you adding?
I'm gonna add Anchor and Rev. So I just added 2 AI.
If you-
Continue. And this time, those are the 4 race types right there. I'm gonna pick Battle, and I'm gonna say number of points. I'm gonna kick it right down to 5, which is the lowest amount. So first team to 5 knockouts wins.
Like, the same.
5 disabled, so that's not a lot.
And it's gonna be.
Choose your vehicle.
I'm gonna take Nuke this time.
I'm gonna take. Yeah, I'm taking ground shock.
Oh, I'm gonna enable the teams.
Hey, Thermo. Time to churn and burn.
Thermo and who do you take? Big Bang?
Big bang.
Yeah, he took Big Bang. Big Bang's a favorite of the AI in any of the battle fighting type games. So I put the ones we're not using back on the charger. The charger holds 4 cars. Line them up. Don't force it. Very good. Okay. We all ready?
Alright.
All 4 on.
Intel, begin scan.
And even though we didn't change the track, it scans it anyway.
And at the next video, we're gonna come back and add the jump.
Right. Get over there so you're not blocking the track.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna be over here so you guys can see that
Go.
track. I'm gonna be ground shot. My
Thermo's
dad's
taking-
new.
You Did you take thermo or did they take thermo?
They, I took ground shot.
Alright.
Big Bang, he has a lot of area effect weapons.
Right.
Track scanning complete.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
5 points, which isn't a lot in one of these battles. We might make it 5 laps. I doubt it.
Begins in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got disabled by Big Bang. They're winning 1 to nothing. Oh,
Disabled.
Max got one of them. Oh, I got disabled again. So I got them. We have 2, they have 3.
I'm gonna drop back.
Oh, he's powered up.
He got me.
Final point, they have 3. Oh, we lost.
Dang it.
We lost. They got 5, we had 4.
I had 2, and I'm guessing Dad had 2. Oh wait, I had 3. Dad had 1.
Yeah. No, I had 0. I didn't even get one of them.
Oh.
Max got 3. I got 0.
It says
They got 3 and 2. So,
it says I got a trophy for failing 1.
alright, so I'm going to do open play, add Max again. You can hit continue, and I can join you real quick. Now we're going to do a King of the Hill match. King of the Hill is just, no, we're not doing her. She is phenomenal.
I know.
Alright,
Gear switch is bad. She shoots you from like if you're way over there and she's right there, she shoots you.
yeah, you're talking about Sniper. She is
Same here.
very accurate with her shooting. So, King of the Hill is a kind of a reverse tag. So once you knock somebody out, you become the King of the Hill, and you want to, and the counter starts going up, and if you're king for 60 seconds, you win.
Or you could be king for 180 seconds.
Right, you can go 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. So we're going to do 60 seconds to show you how it works.
So it would be 1 minute.
Commander, choose your vehicle.
Who are you going to take? I'm going to take Thermal this time.
I'm gonna take Guardian this time.
And we're going to enable teams, so it's Max and me.
Come on, we're gonna go have a blast.
And he took Big Bang, I bet. Yeah. Alright, so Guardian goes on the track.
Take everybody except for Ground Shock and Skull.
Right.
Everybody that's not in the starter kit should just slide right in. And the cool thing is, if you were gonna choose a vehicle, you can just you could tap the person.
If they took your vehicle, and you can change the one that they picked.
Yeah. So it's kind of cool.
Right. So go ahead and hit ready and get in your position.
Place vehicles on the track and tap begin scan.
And again, they got to scan the track.
Every time you have to scan the track. I'm just gonna sit over here. Ha, my foot. That.
Yep, scanning. Did you disconnect? Click OK.
Sorry, guys.
I think it's because you dropped it.
Yeah. Oh, that also hurt my foot.
Right. Sign in. There you go.
And they were right by the starting line. No, wait. Are we racing the same guys?
I can't remember who I picked, so
Blue Shift and Anchor.
Choose your vehicle.
choose your vehicle.
That was close.
Choose your vehicle.
I actually caught it.
Come on, Duke. I mean, who doesn't love a no-fail
pick ground shock, so take off Big Bang and add in ground shock. Alright. Waiting for you to hit continue.
No,
Ready?
I'm ready.
Tap, begin scan.
Alright, so once one of us gets a kill,
We're gonna be the king.
the light on our car will start flashing white, which means we're the king.
Or we could see on our
Right, it'll say,
tablet, it will show a little picture of a crown, and then
we'll see the clock counting up. So we'll have a clue as to how long we gotta remain as a king. Alright, blues versus reds.
Track scanning complete.
I always have to be next to. Oh, I'm next to winner. Dang it.
King of the Hill begins in 3, 2, 1.
You know. I'm king.
Oh, alright, I'll block for you.
Well, like I'm blocking it. Come on. Dad.
Try to get him in the intersection.
Good thing I'm off the track. Go, 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 go. Dad, slow down. I just have no, not me. Go, 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 go. Ah.
Teeny tiny.
I'm gonna slow down.
He's off track. Let's force. And spin.
Oh, dang it.
Your team has lost the
Oh, Max had it for 56 seconds and they took it from us. Oh, you got it back, Max.
I am back.
You're about to win. We just won.
Phew. Dad, you got 0 points.
team win.
I got 0. I didn't have the count
I
at all.
got 60. I bet they got like
Oh,
10.
and got a loot drop for Big Bang,
Me too.
even though I didn't have him. Oh, I've been waiting for that one. That one lets him equip 2 weapons, so I can swap between them during the game.
Now we're gonna do a time trial.
Right. And we'll only have one competitor because it's kind of boring. So we'll do open play. I will host. Did you hit continue, Max?
Yeah.
Okay. Continue. I add Max, and we'll add.
Sniper.
You want a sniper and a okay? We'll add sniper in a race because she's a better fighter than she is a racer. Time trial. 5 laps. Select.
Commander, choose
What
your
car are you gonna take?
I'm
take.
still taking
I'm gonna take Thermo.
Guardian. I have Nitro with that.
You got Nitro with Guardian? Yeah, it's good to have a car that has a boost. Now, one other thing is, I noticed when I was boosting, I was getting a little fishtail action. So, it comes with a tire cleaning kit, just some sticky stuff, and the tires are actually soft rubber, and they pick up dust. So you clean the tires, and they'll stick on the track pretty better, a little bit better. Get ready.
We could have added someone else.
No, I want to.
Place vehicles on the track and tap begin scan.
So all we have to do is
And you're gonna want to clean your track every once in a while. And a good pointer I saw on the internet was don't use paper towels because it could scuff the track. But if you get the Swiffer, just the Swiffer floor cleaning cloths, those work great.
I'm gonna get the early lineup. Oh wait, she's going first.
Track scanning complete.
So for this one, I didn't pick teams. So Max is on his own.
Hey!
And with this, it's the fastest time for the 5 laps. And the other 2 cars will pulled off to the side.
Round 1 begins in 3, 2,
Dad, you betrayed me. She's zipping.
And she went right off the track to start.
Not even breaking a sweat.
Well, you missed the corner, so...
Well, you just broke your car. She just did a 13-second lap. Usually they just do 7-second laps.
Oh, wait, she missed the corner there.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get on the side so we can see the whole track.
Yep. No way she's...
Round 1 complete.
I am gonna be guarding him, so...
So Max is next. She set a time of 49.1 seconds. So you're gonna do 5 laps in 49.1. And I'll get over to pick you up off the...
Round 2 begins in 3, 2, 1.
In case you miss a corner. Good job, inside lane, boost, inside lane, very good. Take those corners, good, inside lane, boost, nice, inside lane,
I'm
always.
wobbling.
You're setting a good time though, you're doing good.
Watch it. Boost. Wobble,
Whoa.
wobble. You should have done my time.
You can't clean in the middle of a race. You can't clean in the middle of a race.
Yeah, I can.
Alright, so Max is going to clean in the middle of a race. He's going to say you're off track. Get the cleaner, go do it.
I
I
got
tried
it.
to tell you, but
Because I'm wobbling.
I know. Well, you wobble when you boost anyway. Alright, you put him back. Inside lane. That's good. Boost. Inside lane.
Round 2 complete. Place thermo on the track.
Was that me?
That was you. Alright, I'm going to stand here and try and... You going to get me in case I go off the track, bud?
Round 3 begins in
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
You gotta set a time for 40.4.
40.4, is that what your time was?
Yep. Go off track, go off track. Just really fun. Go off track.
I love the little Formula One sounds that they've added in.
Come on. 10 more. 10. Yes!
You are the winner. I underestimated you.
No, you're not. That's impossible.
I didn't finish the race. It gave me the win anyway.
That's impossible.
Oh well. Oh, I got something for Guardian, which we barely have any for because we just got Guardian yesterday. Power brakes. Nice.
What? Let me see.
I got power brakes for Guardian.
Oh, look.
All right. Let's say goodbye.
Bye.
Till next time, guys.